Whether you're battling heavy rain or navigating muddy construction sites, having the right gear is crucial. In today's video, we've curated the best rain gear for construction works that not only keeps you dry but also enhances your comfort and productivity. From durable waterproof jackets to slip-resistant boots, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description box to gear up for unbeatable protection against the elements. Now, let's dive in. SRSAFETY Rain Gear. The SRSAFETY Rain Gear is a Class 3 high-visibility work rain gear designed for men working in demanding conditions. Constructed with 100% polyester, the rain gear is water-resistant with sealed seams, ensuring durability. Complying with ANSI/ICA 107-2020 Class 3 Type R standards, it boasts 2-inch wide reflective material for safety. The bird's eye hole breathable layer enhances comfort, preventing friction. Ideal for construction, forestry, and more, it offers wind protection with adjustable wrists and ankles. A blend of functionality and comfort, this rain gear is perfect for various workplaces and leisure activities, ensuring you stay visible, dry, and comfortable. RAINRIDER Rain Gear. The RAINRIDER Rain Gear is a heavy-duty rain suit for both men and women. Crafted from PU fabric, the waterproof rain jacket and pants, made of 100% polyester, feature micro-weld seam construction, offering protection in intense rainfall. The suit includes double entry front pockets, a stowable hood, and ventilation features for comfort. Designed for diverse outdoor activities such as fishing, camping, and construction work, this rain gear ensures durability and ease of movement, making it a reliable choice for staying dry in challenging weather conditions. SONADOR Rain Gear. The SONADOR Rain Gear is a classic rain suit for men, combining waterproof functionality with breathability. Crafted from high-density waterproof nylon with PVC coating, the suit features a soft mesh lining for improved air circulation. Elastic cuffs and leg openings prevent rainwater infiltration, while drawstrings ensure a secure fit. With convenient pockets and a versatile design, this suit is suitable for various activities like working, fishing, cycling, and more. Whether in agriculture, construction, or daily tasks, this breathable and waterproof rain gear provides reliable protection and comfort in wet conditions. Pioneer Rain Gear. The Pioneer Rain Gear comprises a safety jacket and bib pants designed for high visibility in rainy conditions, meeting the ANSI/ICA Class 3 Type P and R requirements. With reflective PVC material for visibility, the waterproof set includes a heavy-duty rain coat with multiple features such as zippered front, ventilation, and foldable hood. The bib pant comes with elastic suspenders and leg hem snaps. Offering functionality and safety in EMS, construction, and traffic control, it ensures high-quality waterproof gear that is visible and reliable in challenging environments. FONIRRA Rain Gear. The FONIRRA Rain Gear is a Class 3 high-visibility rain jacket that stands out with its 300D polyester Oxford fabric and PU coating, providing robust waterproof and wind-resistant features. Complying with ANSI/ICA 107-2020 Type R Class 3 standards, it boasts 2-inch reflective strips for enhanced visibility. The bird's eye hole style breathable lining and adjustable features like cuffs and detachable hood ensure comfort. Ideal for construction, police, EMS, and more, this rain gear combines safety and style. With a black bottom designed for a cleaner look and durability, this rain jacket offers premium protection in various work and outdoor environments. As you brave the elements in your construction endeavors, may these top-notch rain gears be your steadfast companions. Stay dry, stay productive, and build under the shelter of the finest protection against the storm.